Hi everyone, you are about to see the unboxing of one of the most memorable cars that was driven on the streets of Saudi Arabia, and it was one of the hallmarks of the famous American TV series The A-Team. I found this beauty while I was filming my vlog for Golden Hobbies store, and
Oh, A-Team. This is the 1980 Chevrolet Caprice. Woo! And Yasser is kind enough to unbox it for us.
just enjoy the unboxing. Special thanks to Golden Hobbies for doing it for all of us.
Everything over here is genuine. You can see
Motors.
General Motors official merchandise. Yasser, we can't thank you enough for unboxing this vehicle, because for all of the A-Team fans, this means a lot.
Most welcome.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at this vintage 1980 Caprice Classic that was shown in 18. Genuine General Motors merchandise, genuine 18 merchandise. Just look at the attention to detail. It doesn't get any better than this.
I think only front doors open. Remember the interior, the very classic interior.
And here's the interior. Just look at those seats, the steering wheel. This model personally is one of my favorite models when it comes to Caprice Classics, but the reason I love it even more is because it belongs to my favorite TV series, The A-Team.